I am a mom now. This is my postpartum experience. My goal is to bring light to this fourth trimester. It's to share my story so that you won't feel alone or ashamed. I love my daughter. I don't know why I'm feeling this way. There's no reason for me to be sad. I now know that it was postpartum rage. It became too much for me to handle. I shut down. I mean, if baby with my stomach out again. I know that there's somebody out there that just needs to hear that you are not alone, that you are a phenomenal mom, that you're doing a great job. It's taken me 4 months to finally come out and say I am dealing with postpartum depression, and it's freeing. And I honed in every single moment of taking care of my baby. Mama, you just took 3 steps.
Daughter got me going down the slide with her.
I have had an opportunity to literally watch her grow up in my arms. I do not regret it for nothing. I hope that we can create more safe spaces around this topic. One person's postpartum motherhood journey will look completely different than the next one. So I encourage you to tell your story too. Check on your mom friends.